Ice maker won't auger. Motor hums but doesn't turn. Makes ice fine. Note, Refig is 10 years old but just yesterday hooked up water and turned on the ice maker first time.
When did you last replace your ice maker's water filter?
No filter, just factory plug. Water dispenses fine and makes plenty of ice, won't auger, but auger motor hums. Tried turning by hand counterclockwise, won't budge. Clockwise loosens auger motor engagement arms.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Just hooked up water last night. Turned on ice maker this AM. Makes plenty of ice, auger motor just hums, doesn't turn. Tried turning motor engagement arms by hand, won't budge or counterclockwise, unscrews engagement arms clockwise.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
You've got it all.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number?
Did you read issue with ice maker motor not augering? GE model. GSL 22 tabs.
Have you checked power to it?
Makes ice fine. Auger motor hums when dispenser switch actuated, but motor won't turn. Suspect motor seized with frozen moisture.
Does the solenoid move up and down?
Not familiar, solenoid. Do you mean ice maker shut-off arm?
It's to the left of the motor. A square hole. Hole.
Just a minute phrase. Please.
Okay, thanks. Are you still there?
Send info you requested.
I didn't get anything. Did you locate the solenoid?
No, nothing moves in hole, just small white rectangular plastic visible with small hole in it.
Push up on it inside with your finger. A if it goes up and down. Are you still there?
Very slight amount if any, heard a barely audible E sound. Because motor hums when dispense switch pushed, likely motor seizes with frozen moisture.
Okay, thanks. With my experience, the auger motor is vapor locked and will need to be replaced, unfortunately. You will need to order and replace this part number WR60 by 10258. Copy and paste this link. It will look different, but it comes apart the same way. https://www.partselect.com PS 1,993,875 GEWR60 by 10258 augermotor.htm.
Online advice says to remove and thaw out, no replace.
It will happen again. This is fairly common. I've seen this multiple times, unfortunately. It's best to replace it.
Refig has been in operation 10 years, just activated ice maker, ice visible, so we'll try thawing out first.
Okay. Watch the video I sent. Once the motor gets moisture in it, it will freeze up again, unfortunately. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You. Have a great evening. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to go to the app or JustAnswer.com.
Are replacement motors designed to eliminate this problem?
Unfortunately not. This happens after 8 to 10 years of opening and closing the doors and all the humidity and moisture coming in. Are you still there?
Watching video. We'll try thawing first. Thanks.
You are welcome. Please don't forget to rate me. You may have to log in to JustAnswer.com.
Okay, bye.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. Are you still there?
Okay, took out, solenoid frozen, could not move, motor iced, thawing now. Any way to test without installing all?
You can connect 120 volts to it with a jumper cord. Please don't forget to rate me. You may have to log in to JustAnswer.com or the app.
34. Gut should have been hot.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.